Greetings to all. Let's see collective nouns for animals and birds, part 5, and to show you what I mean. A pride of lions, a streak of tigers, a leap of leopards, a coalition of cheetahs, an herd of foxes, a cackle of hyenas, a pack of wolves, a tower of giraffe, a herd of horses, a troop of monkeys, a scurry of squirrel, a drove of rabbits, a swarm of bees, a plague of locusts, an army of frogs, a bloat of hippopotamus, a crash of rhinoceros, a gang of buffaloes, a caravan of camels, a mob of kangaroos, a pride of peacocks, a herd of elephants, a herd of deer, an unkindness of ravens, a murder of crows, a colony of bats, a convocation of eagles, a parliament of owls, a team of ducks, a gaggle of geese, a wedge of swans, a mustering of storks, a realm of kingfishers, a huddle of penguins, a pod of dolphins, a nest of crocodiles, a school of fish, a pack of dogs, a clutter of cats, a flock of cows, a troop of goats, a sloth of bears, a drift of pigs. Thank you.